The following is a DW Ancient Egypt production. Originally known as Tutankhaten, he was 9 years old when he became pharaoh and would rule for about 10 years. Since he comes to power at such an early age, most of the decisions were handled by his vizier and eventual successor, Kheper-Khepher-Ru-Re-I. King Tutankhaten married his half-sister, Aten, who would later change her name to Amun. She was evidently older than he, since she had a daughter by the time she married Tutankhaten. The father of the first child is unknown and open for debate. In year 3 of his reign, under the influence of his advisors, Tutankhaten reversed several changes made by his father's reign. He ended the worship of the god Aten and restored the god Amun to supremacy. The ban on the cult of Amun was lifted and the traditional priesthood was restored. The capital was moved back to Thebes and the city of Akhetaten was abandoned. Tutankhaten also changed his name to Tutankhamun, meaning the living image of Amun. This country was economically weak and in turmoil following the reign of Akhenaten. Diplomatic relations with other kingdoms had been neglected, and Tutankhamun attempted to restore them. Despite his efforts for improved relations, battles with Nubians and Asiatics were recorded in his mortuary temple in Thebes. Given his youth and poor health, he most likely did not participate in these battles.